So today I have gotten my shift knob from Likewise, and I'm going to be installing it on my 2017 Mustang GT. They have included the adapters, an Allen key, I'm guessing for the adapter on there, and the shift knob. The shift knob that I got was the Daytona. I got the monogram design. It looks like the Louis Vuitton. I liked it, it's pretty cool. They also came with a sticker and a little note inside. I'll open it up real quick. So here's the sticker. It's pretty cool. And they have a description of what they are today, and if you want to save polar bears. But yeah, so let's go install this thing. Alright guys, I've been playing with this adapter thingy. You have to set it so at least you can go into reverse. As you can tell, as it goes on. If it's too low, it'll just go on the first gear. So you have to find the right setting to put it in. No. There we go. That's it right there. Now to put the adapter on for the shift knob. Okay, so it's kind of a two-hand job for this. You gotta hold this and then use the Allen key to tighten this down. So just give me 1 second. So you get the Allen key, put it on there, but you have to hold this at the same time as you tighten it. I don't have really an angle to put this to show you, so I'll just have to show you once I'm done. Okay, I lied. Don't do that, because this fell in for some reason, so just use my hands and it's tight on there now. So let's go ahead and put the shift knob on. Use 2 hands again, just 1 second. Well, there we go. She's on there. Goes in reverse. I guess let's go take it for a rip. Wish I had something better to put my mount on, but it's a lot higher than normal. Put the wipers on. Alright. Feels pretty good. It's a little different. It's a lot higher. Driving around with it for a little bit, and it's a lot different. It's a little bit higher than I'm used to, but I'll get used to it. It's starting to snow. Yeah, it's pretty good. Well, that's all I really have. Sorry I couldn't really show you more, as I don't have the right camera equipment or angles, I guess. But if you liked the video, I guess give it a thumbs up and have a good day.